This is the Work Center 5955, and we're going to look at some of the features. This one is protected, so we do have a code we have to key in. And once you've keyed in the code, you'll see the menu screen. And of course, here is where we can select different sizes of paper. We can select one-sided, 1 to 2, 2 to 2-sided, or take something from 2-sided to 1-sided. We can also select to have it stapled, portrait or landscape, 2 staples. If we hit more, we can also choose hole punch. So we can also go ahead and pre-hole punch the paper. And yes, it helps when you press the correct keys. Another thing we can do is we can change our image quality. We can lighten and darken. We can also reduce the paper. So if we have something that's kind of large and we want to reduce it down, we would just do it here. We can change the orientation of the layout. We can change our output and the way our job is assembled. Another really good feature is an ID card copy. And this is where you can copy the front and back of a driver's license or a licensure, and it would put front and back of the card on the same front side of a piece of paper. You can also email from these copiers, and you can do a new recipient and type in the email address. Or if your company has it set up, you can hit the device and select from a list of addresses here in the device address book. And again, you can tell it if you needed one-sided or two-sided for the email. And then it also has advanced settings that you can adjust as well. Also, you can print from, and you'll see that this has a USB. So we can also print from a USB. We can also secure print. And a secure print, you would go to Job Status, Secure Print. This is where you would send something from the from the computer to the copier, and then you would select Secure Print, and you would put in your passcode, and it would print then instead of automatically. Some copiers are set up where you can fax, so you would just simply internet fax, and again, type in your telephone number and send the fax.